Good morning, students. Yesterday I have explained you simple multiplication. Today I am going to teach you carrying sums like these of all. Okay, so there is given h, it means 100. There is given 2, it means tens. There is given o, it means ones. So first we will read the table of 6. How many times? For 3 times. Then after we will read the table of 6 for which times? 10 digit place. So first we will read the table for 6. How? 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18. So first we will write here 8. How much? 8. Then after we will take out the carry of 10 digit place. Then after we will read the table of 6 for 4 times. 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18 and 6 4 the 24. 24. Then after we will add this carry in 24. 24 and 1, 25. So we will write here 25. Got it? Now come to next sum. There is given 8, there is given 5 and there is given 6. So first we will read the table of 8 for 1 digit place. Then after we will read the table for 10 digit place. So first 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 40. So we will write here first 0. Then after we will give up the 4 carry on 10 digit place. Then after we will read the table of 8 for 6 times. So first we will read the table. 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 40, 8 6 the 48. Then after we will add the 4 in 48. So 48, when we add the 4 in 48, so what digit will come? 52. What is 52? So we will write here 52. Then after this table, there is given 7, there is given 3 and there is given 2. So first we will read the table of 7 for 1 digit place, then after 10 digit place. So 7 3 is the first, 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14 and 7 3 is the 21. So first we will write here 1 and give the 2 carry on 10 digit place. Now 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14. Now we will add 2 in 14. So 14 and 2, how much? 16. So we will write here 16. Now come to on this side. Now there is given 3 types of digits. It means 100, 10 and ones. And there is given only tens and ones places. So first we will read the table of 2 for 1 digit, then after 10 digits and then after 100 digit. So first 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12. So first we will write here 2, then after give the 1 carry on 10 digit place. Okay. Now after this we will read the table of 2 for 5. Now 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10. Now after 10 we will add the carry of 10 digit place. So 10 and 1, 11. So we will write here 1 and give the 1 carry because there is given 4 on 100 digit and there is given nothing. So we will write here all over value. So first we will give the carry on this side. It means 100 digit place. Then after we will again read the table of 2 for 4 times. So 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6 and 2 4 the 8. Then after we will add this 1 in 8 terms. So 8 and 1, 9. So we will write here 9. Now come to there. First look at here properly. There is given 3, there is given 5, there is given 8 and there is given 4. So first we will read the table for 1 digit place. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12 and 3 5 the 15. So first we will write here 5, then after give the 1 carry on 10 digit place. Now come to on 10 digits. So first we will write the table of 3 for 8 times. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12, 3 5 the 15, 3 6 the 16, 3 6 the 18, 3 7 the 21, 3 8 the 24. And after 24 we will add the 1 carry on that. So 24 and 1, 25. So first we will write here 5, then after we will give the carry on 100 digit place. Now we will read the again table. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, and 3 4 is 12. Then after 12 we will add 2 in 12. So when we add the 2 in 12 terms, so what is common digit? 14. So we will write here 14. Now come to on this side. There is given 4, there is given 5, there is given 6, and there is given 3. So first we will read the table of 4 for one digit, then after 10, and then after 100. Now we will read the table of 4 for 5 times. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 14, and 4 5 is 20. So first we will write the 0, then after we will give up the carry 2. Got it now? Now after this we will read the table of 4 for 6 times. So first 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, and 4 5 is 20, and 4 6 is 24. And after 24 we will add 2. So what digit will come in 24? It means 26. So we will write here 6 and give the 1 carry on there. Then after we will read the table of 4 for 3 times. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. And after 12 we will add this 2 carry. So what digit will come? 14. So we will write here 14. Are you coming to know these all the sums? After this classwork, that is your homework. And yes, tomorrow will be a Sunday, so I gave you the sum homework specially for your holiday. Okay, now goodbye and take care.